My party and I were disappointed and surprised to find that the present government has taken no action on the governor's son who had meted out violence to a government officer. We were deeply shocked by this. Law and order seemed to have broken down in our state. When I was in government, ministers, MLAs, MPs, senior government servants, if they had broken the law, immediate action was taken. The state government must act according to the law. Because of this, my party